Yes, hello. To those ones with fun hair, this is your video. And those with thick hair, you can also love to say this video. And guess what? I love doing crochet, and this is when I found out that we also have these new hair extension called a Pixie curls, and this is very soft and light, the way you're going to be seeing in our tutorial as I'll be explaining to you. So let's try to enjoy it and see how we came up with this hair extension. You can see all the looks looking very nice. So let's get on to our tutorial and see how we made this. Oh yes, now you can see when I say that those with soft hair, this is what I mean. You can look at her hair, how it looks. But how are we going to achieve this look? How are we going to achieve it? So here, this is when we always have to apply the other our method that I always tell you, that the crochet needs to be equivalent to the hair that we do. What I mean is the cornrows, okay? So our cornrows need to be equivalent to the extension that we're supposed to do. And when you try to look at these curly pixel, they're small in size, okay? So it means also our cornrows are not going to be very big. We have to apply it medium. So this is the cornrow that we're going to be doing. And of course, when it comes to the cornrows, I always advise you guys to use the inward cornrows, because we believe, and I know this one lasts longer than any other cornrows. So those ones who have tried it, you also know. If you try to look at this, the way we are doing the cornrows, that we are doing it in the inward cornrows. And again, I used one piece is enough. And of course, I know that those people who love doing big hair, so you can also use two pieces, but I don't think they can all be in your head. Maybe you might use like 1.5 or maybe 1.25 to achieve this hair extension. But all I can say, it is very nice, soft, and very easy to maintain. And all I can still recommend here is that please, if you have done this hair extension, don't use hair mousse or maybe spraying their water. All you can do to spray it, just use your hairspray, and that is like the sheen spray. That one is going to be a very perfect for this hair extension. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe, oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko, oyagala omulembe jangu tutambule n'omulembe, oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Hair by clippers, 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 hair by clippers,
said in Michikumi we give it out to like you with the best to none. And ya wakana ruleta to jakula game bidi twazitenga. Tuliba big baller, shot callers to call a kwaba baza ulida. So high in the sky, we know how to make you glam and look so splash it. Everybody, sleepers, we the best. Yeah. Everybody, sleepers, we the best. Everybody, sleepers, we the best. Everybody, sleepers, we the best. Yeah, everybody, sleepers. Everybody, sleepers. Mulembe, jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko, jangu fe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala mulembe, jangu tutambule no mulembe. Oyagala ebiriko, jangu fe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Video shanane, hey, you need some lico pampering. No mukono mukugo kumaniche kukura. Kitakiwa crochet master, yakugu kamo vidi kati master. Makeup wanna genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, you are crochet master. Come on. Jangu. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Bano beba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukugu wapulo. The muli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, he ma run them. Ujembi ribakuwa, balinga high grade kweva soma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by clippers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongaba. They are by clippers fire. Oh na na, Dolina chongamba, Dolina chongamba, Dolina chongamba, Dolina chongamba, Dolina chongamba, Dolina, yeah. A number one crochet master, Morris. Don't around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingite wongo yaka, Morris, the crochet master, didn't make a new. Yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice. Body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Morris the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto waza, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mie, okwana nembaka. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris, yeah.
And of course, this is what I got for you. Remember, it is a Pixie Curl from Darling Company, Uganda. To those ones who want to purchase it, you just go right on their website, and that is www.darlinguganda.com. And trust me, you will have all these and even more of the hairstyles. So I'm going to drop the link in my description so that you can see it yourself. So for now, I'm going to be signing out. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. May the Lord bless you all. Bye-bye. You can rate this hair extension from 1 to 10. And of course, if you have any questions that you need to ask, just go right in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this hair and or even what you need to ask.